All right, guys, just as I thought, we got a little relief bounce after the tariffs were implemented today. And so this is where you got to ask yourself, are you a short-term trader? Are you short-term trading whatever you bought today, if you did, or are you long-term investing? You guys know I have both accounts. So what I'm doing in my short-term account is right now I'm trimming, guys. I have been trimming on the way up here today. Again, remember, I'm not doing more than day trading / scalping. And so I'm trimming on the way up. I've already raised my stop loss up into the profit zone. So no matter what, I'm going to get a win. And then in the long-term investment account, obviously we're letting it ride. So congratulations, guys. If you bought into this fear, very hard to do because it's unpredictable. You don't know if stocks could have gone down more today, right? But that's why when you get these relief bounces, you never know if they'll be temporary and then, temporary and then get sold back down and go lower, okay? I do think most of the selling pressure has happened, but you still never know. And we could easily still go lower. Remember, this quarter is probably going to be about tariffs because think about, tariffs that could potentially go on Europe and then these reciprocation tariffs that Trump has talked about. And we got, unemployment data coming out. Obviously, that can worry people, right? If that unemployment number comes in way worse than expected, I should say, where there's more unemployment claims, then that could worry the Fed to possibly, be thinking about an interest rate cut. The Fed meeting is March 18th and 19th, so might not be enough time for them to do anything. They may pause again, but possibly, after that, they could cut. But we have to see the data, obviously. It's too early to tell, but I can see the economy weakening because of these tariffs. Consumers taking a hit, obviously, grocery prices, right? Auto prices going up, a lot of stuff going up. So it makes sense, if unemployment starts weakening the labor market, in general, then that could be a reason to push the Fed towards an interest rate cut. So that's why I'm saying short-term account, don't get greedy. Like I said, I'm already selling on this rip. And if my stop loss hits, I should say stop limit, because I like saying stop limit when it's in the profit zone versus stop loss. So that's why I would raise my stop limit, okay, above break even, like well into the profit zone. So if stocks decide to sell back off, which we know can happen quickly, you at least get a win. And again, yes, if it's after hours, right, you got to watch, you got to set an alert so you can go in and get out. If it goes below a certain price. So just remember that, guys, okay? Or in pre-market or overnight trading, whenever. So, but congratulations again. If you did day trade something today into the fear, drop me a comment. Let me know what you played, okay? And long term, remember, you got to handle all the noise, right? All the dips, all the corrections, even a recession, guys. That's hard to do. So remember, have that conversation with yourself. Do I need this cash anytime in the next year? Okay, ideally especially the Millionaire Maker stock portfolio, that's 5+ years. But of course, if you need that money to live on, survive, right? Then you trim when things are higher, obviously, right? When they're close to the top. I wouldn't be trimming after a huge sell-off, right? So that's the key. But anyways, guys, hope you had a great trading day. Drop me a comment below. Let me know how you did.